Let's bring a Fusion composition and switch to the Fusion page. Let me close the spline editor for now. Bring your image to the nodes area, add a background node, connect the background node to the image, and connect the merge node to the media out. Swap the inputs if you don't see the logo. Now bring a rectangle, connect the blue line to the media in, and let's adjust the rectangle width and height. And change the soft edge to something like this. Now you can rotate the rectangle to a 30-degree angle. Increase the width even more. Move to the first frame and add a keyframe for the center values. Drag and move the rectangle to the edge of the viewport. Go to frame 120 and add another keyframe. Move the rectangle to the bottom right corner of the viewport. Now open the spline editor. Check all of the checkboxes. Click here to select all of the keyframes. Hit S to smoothen the animation and make a spline which looks something like this to make sure the animation starts quickly and then slows down gradually. And this is what you'll get so far. Now let's add the scene transition to a text node. Add a text plus node. Disconnect the media in from the merge and connect the text plus node to it. Now drag a connection from the rectangle node and connect it to the blue connection of the text plus node. Add your text and choose the font. Adjust the size of the text to your liking. And finally, let's play our final result. I hope you liked this tutorial. If so, subscribe to watch more DaVinci Resolve tutorials.